land of peace, prosperity, and boundless opportunities. The new Asian tiger, riding the tide of development and innovation, and leaving the glorious mark of opulence in the ever-changing world. This is the story of Sonar Bangla. This is the story of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has been transforming every day, following one dream, one vision of the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the architect of our independence. The man who united us as one and taught us to fulfill our shared dream of crossing new limits. That's why now we are a nation of 160 million dreamers, ready to thrive and reach new heights. Bangladesh has already achieved extraordinary growth, powered by the dynamic leadership and perceptive guidance by our Honorable Prime Minister, Sheikh Hasina, who has always prioritized sustainable growth and inclusive development over everything since achieving our independence in 1971. In these 50 years, Bangladesh has entered a brand new era, unlocking the future with innovation and guaranteeing better lifestyle for everybody is at the heart of our vision. Our dreams are fueled by passion, innovation, and perseverance. Our world-class business sectors are creating value and fulfilling lives every day, every moment. We are exploring sustainable solutions and practices that can help us go forward with our vision for the future. And our thriving industries are already a reflection of our objectives. Among them, Bangladesh's ceramics industry is a booming industrial sector that has grown tremendously over the years. While meeting 85% of local demand, it also exports high-quality ceramics to worldwide markets. The upward trend indicates that the industry has the potential to be one of the country's top foreign exchange earners. The industry earns more than $50 million through export. Different world-class ceramic products, including tiles, sanitary ware, and tableware, are exported to more than 50 countries of the world. In the last 5 years, Bangladesh's ceramics sector has increased its production by 200%. This growth momentum is projected to sustain for a considerable period of time, thanks to the solid expansion of the real estate industry and improving living standards in the country. With its high-quality products, low labor costs, and innovative entrepreneurs, the industry is also well-positioned to grow rapidly in the global market. So, we invite new knowledge, new visions. We invite the game changers, the very best from the world of ceramics to the Ceramic Expo Bangladesh 2022. Organized by Bangladesh Ceramic Manufacturers and Exporters Association, BCMEA, on November 24 to 26, 2022 at ICCB, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Find the right partners, engage and discover your business possibilities, and experience a gateway to explore ceramics world.